So this frickin' moron again is at it again. And it again and it again about that. I don't have no idea. But Jack Doherty is now the biggest jackass of all. It kind of rhymes. Because this guy got kicked off the ship. You know, honestly, you would think with him crashing his car would throw a lesson to this jackass, this fucking half freaking person, fucking guy. But no, thinks he has the looks, he has the money, he puts on fucking baby oil like P. Diddy, he slaps a couple of fucking bitches' asses. He thinks he's a fucking king tut of fucking YouTube and TikTok. Well, listen here, you dumbass. Now you're his fault. Your mother is freaking like pissed off at you. I mean, there's probably kids that are freaking there. So, honestly, what did it prove? Nothing. That only that you are kicked off of a ship now, where you can't probably ever go back on. And they've probably seen the fucking video of him, sorry about cursing so much, but they probably seen the video of you, Jack. They're probably not gonna watch you back on the ship. I mean, they're probably gonna think you're gonna drive a fucking truck or a fucking car off the fucking ship or something. I mean, fuck me, I don't know. Again, this is why society blames us, YouTubers. We are quick to do something stupid and not think, oh, this is funny, this is a bunch of content views and horror, horror, horror. You're a jackass. But world do you not know, or I don't know if you even fucking care, this is going to end your career. I'm not saying, I'm like canceled, but think, dude, think. Think with your freaking brain. Because they're risking your career. They're risking your freedom. I mean, well, if I say, well, since this ship, hell, my daddy has a ship. My daddy has a ship, and he can hook me up. Yeah, maybe he does, but I don't know if he even wants to do the fucking anything with him. But who knows? It might crash on his shit, or I don't know. I mean, again, why in society we think this is okay? This is no script. This is just coming from straight heart. You know, I was gonna break down the script and go through it, like break it down for you guys. But I said, you know what, dude, save this little fucking pitch of salt and soul. I'm just gonna do my opinion. This guy is with stupidity. This is probably the beginning of brain rot. When people watch him, they watch Lanky Fox, and they watch these stupid ass cartoons, which I can kind of agree to. Will piss off Roy. We're all saying that, but now it's like seeing this article again. It's like maybe these YouTubers want because I don't know if he watched too much television as a kid and his brain rotted in his fucking brain, or he's just like this clout chaser pretty boy who's trying to become like this, you know, I don't know, fucking Jersey Shore, sorry, it's not coming up. Oh, my finger's not coming the whole, but, I don't know, dude. I'm trying to do this on family app, but it didn't work. But anyways, you see stuff like Jackass, hey, I wouldn't do like that. But you gotta realize, again, they're fucking special. This is not exactly, you know, what they're doing. It's disrespecting people's fucking space, and disrespecting their fucking time on the ship, you know. And I see these, poor things, like, hey, get away from this dude. This dude is bad news. It doesn't make you feel bad, Jack. It doesn't. It doesn't make you feel ashamed that these people are literally saying, get the fuck away from this guy. Because this guy's a fucking lunatic. Hello? We gotta smoke coffee, bro. Like, fucking get your money, like a wad of money out of your asshole and fucking put your dick between your legs again. Stop fucking really getting fucking sucked off. You almost put your life in danger. Now you're putting people's fucking, time on a ship a living hell. I mean, seriously, dude. What the fuck? You know? I mean, throw me a fucking bone, Scott. I mean, this guy has no remorse. Look, I totally talked about him. I never talked about him. You know, a lot of people talked about him. Oh, Umperville talked about him. And I don't blame him, because they have the same reaction. And, deep down inside, this hurts them. Like it hurts me. But they're supposed to be a brethren on the internet. They're supposed to be a role model for freaking kids, dude. You're over here freaking, like he's trying to be like this next Jake Paul, it's in the last video of him. But look what the fuck happened to Jake Paul. He went to the forest and you know the rest of that bullshit. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised this dumb fuck does the same thing. Has the next fucking prime fucking drink. Or a fucking shitty Mr. Beast bar with it's, by the way, here. It's like a regular fucking candy bar. I mean, fuck me. I mean, this is really what. What's that? Jack Doherty, the candy bar? Or a plushie or his face on a t shirt? Probably. I mean, I don't want that shit to happen. I mean, shit, man. I mean, I don't know. I'm just lost for words, dude. I mean, it's horrible that, you're leaving a stain in your career. You're literally ending your career even before you freaking started it, dude. I mean, I'm just a freaking commentary podcast channel, but damn, bro. Get your fucking head out of the ass, dude. Even myself. I don't ever do this stupid shit. I don't ever put the life in risk. Wow, I'm fucking life in risk. Damn. This guy crashed the golf cart with his fucking girlfriend. He thought it was funny. He probably thought this was funny. Because this little asshole was fucking taunting people. Because, if he's by doing this, he's gonna land the next gig in Hollywood. Like, he's trying to become like this. Jersey Shore, shirt off, boxers popping out of the freaking rims of his pants. And I think he's like some kind of internet thug or something, or some kind of internet gangster or something. But dude, you're white. Well, Vicky is white. We're all white, dude. Don't act hard. Because one day it's gonna get you very hurt. Or it's gonna get very killed. I don't want to see that, dude. I don't. I don't want to see that happen to you. Please, for the love of God, get your head out of your butt. And look, I have no problem. I'm not going to take the fucking car and fucking drive off the ditch. Okay, guys, I collect the car. Now what? Alright, mommy, I will be paid. No, 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 no. You can't, dude. Because that's the only thing necessary for kids to do what they're doing.